Hi, welcome back to another topic in Computer Systems Servicing 9. Our topic will be about different kinds of technical drawing. Once again, this is your ICT teacher, Gerlyn Biswenya. Your learning competency this week are select correct technical drawing in accordance with the job requirement and segregate technical drawings in accordance with the types and kinds of drawings. Here are guide questions for you. What are the flowchart symbols? What are the common symbols used in computer? Why is there a need to understand technical symbols? So here are the basic flowchart symbols. We have the terminal, input-output, process, decision, flow line, on-page connector, and off-page connector. And these are its symbols. The oval parallelogram for input-output, rectangle for process, diamond for decision, flow line for arrows, on-page connector, circle, and the off-page connector. So the terminal or oval indicates both the starting point and the ending point of the process, start and end. So for input-output or parallelogram, it indicates the process of inputting or outputting external data. For the process or rectangle, it represents an individual step or activity in the process, such as instruction or command. For the decision or diamond, it shows a decision point such as yes or no, or go or no go. Each path emerging from the diamond must be labeled with one of the possible answers. Just like, for example, here is yes and here is no. Flow line or arrows connects the symbols, and the arrow shows direction of the flow of instructions. On-page connector or circle, these are pairs of on-page connector are used to replace long lines on a flowchart page. A letter placed on a circle clarifies the continuation. Example, A from here and then A to another. An off-page connector, proceed to off-page, is used when the target is on another page. A letter placed on the circle clarifies the continuation. Also from example A. We also have the general computer symbols. A question mark symbol represents a question and allows you to access help or online documentation. A light bulb icon symbol represents tip or an idea. Number 3, gear. It indicates a configuration or settings option. A symbol with a wrench or a wrench and screwdriver is another symbol that can be used in place of the gear to indicate an area to adjust the settings or other options. We also have a speech bubble. It is used in communications to indicate that there is a message that needs to be read or that someone is typing a message. Number 6, the check mark symbol indicates completion or that something is okay. A plus symbol or a horizontal line crossing and vertical line is also a symbol used as an indication to increase add, move down, or zoom in on software programs and hardware devices. A minus symbol or horizontal line is a symbol used as an indication for decreasing, removing, moving up, or zooming out on software programs and hardware devices. For number 9, we have a circle with a line through it. It is a symbol that represents cancel or stop and may be over the top of another symbol. 3 arrows going around a triangle is a symbol that represents recycle or recycle. For number 11, we have a symbol with a series of boxes and jagged lines with boxes in the corners like that shown here is a QR code and used to store information for scanning. A padlock symbol is used to represent when anything is locked or secured. A calendar icon for number 13 is used to represent an option that allows the user to view a calendar, view date, related information, or schedule an event. Number 14, a thumbtack symbol is used to represent the ability to pin an object to the screen. 15, a symbol of a folder represents an area capable of storing other files and folders on a computer. Number 16, a symbol of a trash can or recycle bin is a symbol used to represent deleting a file or another object on the computer and may be a container for any deleted items. Number 17, a fire symbol can have many different meanings when used on a computer, software program, or an internet web page. First meaning is that the item is hot and could mean that it is critical, important, or popular and should be looked at it first. In some email programs and services, the fire symbol represents junk and is a location where all spam and other junk emails are stored. Number 18, a C with a circle surrounding it is used to represent copyright. 19, an R with a circle surrounding it is used to represent registered mark. And for number 20, a TM with a circle surrounding it or TM by itself is used to represent a trademark. Those are all for our different kinds of technical symbols. So let us recap what you have learned today. The flowchart symbols are oval, parallelogram, rectangle, diamond, arrows, and circle, and it implies different meanings. The common symbols used in computer are question mark, light bulb, gear, wrench, speech bubble, check mark, plus, minus, stop, recycle, QR code, padlock, calendar, thumbtack, folder, recycle bin, fire, copyright, registered mark, and trademark. Understanding technical symbols is essential to also understand correctly the information or messages found in computers. And it's now time for your activities. So answer activities 1 and 2 and reflection on page 4, and of course your second summative test that covers week 3 and 4 last. Once done, send it offline using USB or through Messenger or email. That would be all for this week's class, and see you next week. Goodbye.